Hi, have you ever wondered what this AI stuff is all about? Have you ever said to yourself, how in the world am I going to learn all of this? Everything is happening too fast. You ever look at TV and every time you see a commercial, they're talking about artificial intelligence. Every time you watch the news, they're talking about artificial intelligence. And you're either clueless or saying to yourself, is it too late? I'm trying to catch up. Are you saying I'm over 50? You're not by yourself. Are you saying that thinking that, oh, I'm 70 or I'm 80, and what are they talking? I just simply don't understand. Well, guess what? That's exactly why I created this YouTube channel. My name is Juanita, and I am an AI consultant and nonprofit strategist. And to be transparent, I am a new AI consultant, but I'm an old school nonprofit strategist, and I help individuals with their businesses acquire that 501c3 exemption status. I help them incorporate artificial intelligence into their businesses to help them flow better and to see what's possible. Well, I created this channel and right now it's a brand new channel. Check it out, brand new channel, you will see. However, this channel was created to help folks like me and help folks like you learn together. So on this YouTube channel, I'm going to be talking about various strategies that you can use to help get grants using AI as an assistant, as a tool, not to replace you. I don't believe AI can replace a human element, the God-given element that we have. I don't think that it can. But I know that it can be used to assist us to accomplish more and to do more. And that's what my channel is all about, to experiment, to explore the various AI tools that can be used to help you and to help me. As we progress through this channel, we will find out the various tools we can use. We will harness an AI as an assistant. We will create AI agents that can better support us and help us in what we do. I will teach you and show you how to take your own knowledge and monetize it, how to make it happen for you. You want to know what you can do? You already know. If you've been living 50 years, you've got so much knowledge invested in you, my brother, my sister. You can make this happen for you, and we will do it together, step by step. I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to continue to follow me. Also, I want you to click the link in the description. I have a free, I said free, AI tool with prompts that can help you. You can start with Claude, you can start with ChatGPT, or whatever your favorite AI tool is. If you haven't explored anything, start with Claude or ChatGPT and use those prompts if you have a business or even think you want a business. Go ahead and do that, and it will give you an idea of how powerful these tools are, but how easy they are as well. It is not as difficult as you see. And I know on YouTube we have so many influencers that are showing us different techniques. And let me tell you, I'm with you. I got so overwhelmed. I said to myself, okay, this sounds good. That sounds good. But they all are in it. And it's not that they don't know, because I have learned from many of them and I am still learning from a few of them who are just fantastic. So I want you to know that this channel is to assist, to show you, to teach you, along with myself, how we can make things happen better for us and how we can monetize our YouTube channel. If that's something you want to start, if you want to, maybe you're a teacher and you just don't know where to begin. You are so full of knowledge and you have so much already in your front door, meaning here. So life experience is amazing. You'll be surprised what you have. I will show you the right prompt. I will give you the right prompt that you will be able to use to be able to pull those ideas out of you, come up with a strategy and make it happen. Trust me, I'm here to help. If you want to book a call with me on a strategy call, free strategy call, check out the link in the description. If you want to get some free resources, check the link out in the description. You will see that I started this stand stores that can help you become the best that you can be. So go on this journey with me. I thank you for watching this video. I want you to start here, and starting here, folks, is clicking the link in the description. Grab the free tool, grab the free prompts and play around with them. Sign up to Claude, sign up to ChatGPT. We're going to learn security settings. We're going to learn the right way to protect ourselves with our AI tools. So I look forward to seeing you on this journey. Thank you.